Let's try one more example. Before we do that, let's just talk about this really quick. Okay, so now we just talked about inconsistent and consistent. When there is at least one solution, it is consistent, right? So it is consistent when there is at least one answer. Okay, let me just use a yellow. All right, so inconsistent and at least one solution. So, and it's called consistent and independent when there's only one solution. And if there's only one solution and the lines are intersecting at one point, at only one point. And it's called consistent dependent system when two lines are exactly same. So let's say there was a yellow line and there's a red, and if it's going to be exactly the same line, that means there are a lot of points on the lines which satisfy both the equation true. It's here and here and here, here and here. It's a lot. So you see infinitely many solutions here, and it's called consistent and dependent. And when there's no solution means they never gonna touch, they never gonna intersect, which means two lines are parallel. Parallel means what? They have same slope. So when you look at the system, for example, like 2x plus 2, y is equal to 2x minus 3, I would just not even start it, because when I look at the question and then I see that, oh, slopes are same, which means they're going to be parallel when they have different y-intercept, right? Then you don't even need to start graphing. You may just say, oh, it is going to be no solution because the same slope, so those two lines will be parallel, and so it's inconsistent system. That's it. So please repeat this video clip if you are not still sure about these terms, and make sure that you copy it down on your notebook. And we're going to have one more question to review. If you already understand everything, you may just keep working on the worksheet and the class activity. All right, now we have system of equation. We have two slope-intercept form here. So now we're going to solve it by graphing. So you have to find the y-intercept, right? What's the y-intercept? 3. What's the slope? -5/3. You can also give negative to the number on the top or number at the bottom, or you can do -5/3, or you can do 5/-3. It's the same thing. So if you do 5/-3, that means you're moving up by 5 and moving 3 to the left. If you choose this one, you're going down by 5 and then you're going to the right by 3. So you choose either this one or this one. It's fine. It depends on like the graph, and it depends on the y-intercept. So I'm going to plot this. So 3 is here, y-intercept, and it's really, you have to extend the coordinate plane, because if you go up by 5, you have to plot here, right? So I would go down by 5. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going down by 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're going to the left or right? You're going to the right by 3. 1, 2, and 3. You stop here. We're going to go down another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And going to the right by 1. No, 3. 2, 3. So you will, and it should be going up by 5 and going to the left by. So the next point is going to be like this. If you have a ruler, you may just have 2 points and then connect the dots. That would be enough. All right, so now let's move on to the next one. We just got the first line. Let's see if I can draw the line. Okay, let me try. All right, okay. I know it's really hard to draw a line here. Okay, so it should be straight line on your paper. Sorry about this mess. All right, so now let's look at the next one. All right, I'm gonna use the red here. What's the y-intercept here? -3, not 3. And slope, 1/3. Either you go up by 1 and going to the right by 3. You can also do -1 over -3. You go down by 1, you go move to the left by 3. So either will be fine. So 1/3, after I plot the y-intercept, which is -3, let's go up by 1. I'm going to choose this one, go up by 1, and go up by 1, going to the right by 3. Oh, we already found the intersecting one. Let's just keep going. 1 up, 3 to the right. Or you can also go down by 1. Go down by 1, move 3 to the left. Go down by 1, move 3 to the left. So if you connect this line, let me try this again. Okay. If you connect these, and with this arrow, now we have systems equation. I just grab these two, right? And this intersecting point, which is, let's read this, 1, 2, 3, and -1, -2. So it's going to mean 3 and -2. 3, -2 is going to be the solution for this system, which means this 3 and -2 makes this equation true and this equation true at the same time. So this is going to be the solution. Please copy it down. If you don't understand, you better watch this video clip until you understand it.